Ed Hill with Superior Image Car Care. Today we're going to be talking about our aerosol air freshener Odor Bombs. These are enzyme-based fragrance and odor neutralizers in one. They are aerosolized. We have the mango carpet upholstery refresh, cucumber melon, eclipse, which is like if anyone remembers the old green tree like black ice, it's kind of like that, but a new upgraded version of that, and then old trusted new car. So these are again all aerosol with a click down tab. Put it in the center of the car, turn the AC on, recirculate, push it all the way down, and just let it basically fog out and bomb the entire car. It's going to pull it through the HVAC system with your AC on recirculate. If you don't want to run the entire can, these are a little bit larger cans than what your typical Odor Bomb is by a few ounces. So instead of clicking it down, you can just kind of spray it inside the vehicle if you want. As long as it touches the surface where the malodor is from, it will take care of it. So there's not a whole lot of explanation on these. They're super simple to use, very safe, very effective. The fragrances last, they smell extremely good, and the active enzymes in them also, again, help with those real malodors and cigarette smoke and any kind of bacteria, or old food, anything like that. These are going to take care of them for you.